Welcome back to Critical Paths. Now that I've showed some key features of the application, I want to show the application layout, how to get to specific pages. So this is the page that loads once you log in. It's the main landing page. To load the application, I'm going to click on the Open App button, and the main navigation page loads. This is the application library and the projects you have access to populate. So the first thing I'm going to go into, I've showed before, is the project profile. You can get there by clicking on New Project on the left-hand side, or click on the image of the project. And this is a dashboard that contains a number of visualizations for our project. You have the activity grid, which is showing the arrow diagram, the shallow S, and other visualizations. So I'm going to go back to the project library. And the next I want to show is scenario planning. This is a way to save multiple iterations of your project in the same page. So you can get there by clicking either scenario planning or clicking on the first icon underneath the project. And your project loads to the right-hand side. This is this area for a tree. Now I've loaded some other data in another tab, so I'm just going to load that. And so what this allows you to do is explore the multiverse of changes. You can make small or large changes to your chart, and you can save them in a tree on the right-hand side, and snapshots get populated on the bottom, which you can click on to load in the main chart area. And if you notice the tree node, the current tree node that's highlighted changes as you click around to the snapshots. You can also click on nodes, and the associated project will load in the main area. So that is scenario planning. I'm going to go back to the project library. And next will be the network analysis. Network analysis basically allows you to explore a network of projects. So you can click on the network analysis option in the left menu, or you can click on the icon that looks like a network underneath the project. And the network interface opens. So I have another tab populated with data. And so this shows a project of projects. When I click on a project, sub-projects for that project get highlighted with the purple arrow. And when you click on the purple arrow, it highlights the activity that's associated with the project. This interface also has the ability to tag and to subgroup. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the lasso tool on, and I'm going to create a tag group here, and I'm going to create some tags. And now with the lasso tool, I can select multiple activities. I'm going to select a tag to associate, and then click assign. And the value is assigned to the selected arrows. And I can select another group and select another tag and assign. And so you can see how the tagging works. You can also select a subgroup and extract a subproject. And so what's happened is the subproject that I had selected was reduced down to a single arrow, and the subproject was added to the bottom. So yeah, this is the network of networks. So I can come back to the library page, and I can now populate the assign resources page. So that's the icon of the little person. And so again, I'm going to open a tab that has data already loaded. And so we have a tree on this interface as well, but what this tree records is different assignments. You enter in resources up at the top, and then you assign resources to activities, and you can click on these to see different resource assignments. So the idea is that you want to try to assign resources differently in a project, and you can save the multiverse of assignments. And then once you're finished there, you can come into this Compare tab and click Calculate Time Curve. And you get the time cost curve, and you have different visualizations for each individual assignment that you've completed. So here we have an assignment with one resource activity, or one activity resource, two activity resource, three activity resource, four activity resources. So, and there are 4 points for each point is a completed assignment. So you can click on a point and it'll highlight the shallow S, the stacked resources, and the arrow diagram for the selected point. And so you can come in here and compare your different options. So let me go back to the project library. Again, this project library is the kickoff point for a lot of the pages. If you want to navigate to another page, you usually come here to do it. So that's it for the application layout. Thank you very much.